today we will be testing the R squared momentum indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the R squared momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 829 indicators, with 337 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 38 of the winning indicators. 11 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the R squared momentum indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. I did go in and change a few of the settings here. And so it's basically just the visual settings on this, didn't change any of the actual calculations. And so on the, on the color 0 here, we bumped up the line weight here to the second to last. On the color 1 there, bumped up the line weight the same, and on the plot again bumped up the line weight to the second to last one there, and that just made it a little bit easier for you to see the indicator here on screen. And so the setup on this, like I said, is pretty easy. So what we are looking for first and foremost is going to be the coloration of the line here, so the one that is green and red. And so like I said, we're looking for the coloration of the line, and then we're looking for it to make the cross of the signal line here, or the plot line. And so as it crosses up above that plot line, we are looking for the color of the line to be green, and that will be a signal to then go long. When it crosses down below the plot line, we are looking for the coloration of the line to be red, and that is a short signal. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Like I said, pretty easy. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal as we get that cross below the plot line there. The coloration of the line there is also red, And so we get the signal right here on that candle, but we get a really heavy push to the upside there, and that does come up and stop us out, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then the second signal we pick up here is going to be a long signal. Again, we get that cross of the plot line to the upside, and the line there is in the green color. Right here on this candle is where we got the signal. Get a little bit of a push to the downside here. It isn't quite enough to hit our stop before it then rolls and continues to push up. And that does push up far enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up another short right here on this one. Same deal, we get the cross of the plot line and the coloration that we're looking for in the line there. Unfortunately, this immediately takes a spike to the upside there, and so it does stop us out. We then pick up a long signal right here as the line crosses up above the plot line and is in the right color. And it looks like we're pretty much gonna immediately get stopped out. Let's see here. Yep, we make a push to the upside here, and it just barely misses our take profit here on this wick, right as it is then throwing us into a short signal right here. And you can see that that makes a nice push to the downside there, which does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part of the conversations in the channels there. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, Sasquatch here is one of our members and is an amazing Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, doing market analysis of the Forex market. We also have our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading here, doing an awesome job of throwing out some charts. He's got a nice little collection of indicators that he has created. He's got some really decent free indicators and some paid indicators if you're interested in looking at some of the things that he has going on. All in all, just a great community. Everybody's helping everybody out, inspiring everybody, giving advice, and just an all-around great community of everybody posting charts and like I said, supporting everybody and helping everybody out. Highly recommend it. Join us and take the next step in your trading journey. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and get this scrunched back here. Quite a few trades within the 1 year's time, so that's decent. Let's go ahead and count them out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So we have 29 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 winning trades, and so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. You can see that this indicator gave quite a few trades within the 1 year's time, definitely on the verge of over trading in my opinion. And when an indicator gives quite a few trades like this, it gets to the point to where it's just kind of a coin toss on whether or not it's giving an accurate signal in the right direction. And so typically we don't get that many shifts in the overall trend direction in a year of time to justify 30 signals. And so you can see that there were moments like here where it just picked up a really big cluster of losing trades. Here was another cluster of losing trades. Here's kind of another cluster of losing trades. And so that is kind of because, like I said, it's an over trader. It's just kind of throwing signals at every little move the market's making. And it's kind of getting this whipsaw action that is costing it to lose quite a bit of the win rate. And so, all right, that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.